One of the hottest skill you can learn right now is video editing, because everyone is now into content creation. Business owners, companies, influencers, just name it. Some people don't even know how to edit videos, they just want to create content. While some people that can even edit themselves, they are too busy creating content, they don't have time to edit those videos. That's why they need someone to edit for them, because content creation can be very stressful. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real OG. Yes, I know I ran away again. I said I was going to be consistent. But man, your girl has been super busy. Video editing is taking up my time. Yeah, I am a video editor, a professional video editor. So I don't have time to create content and also edit my own video, because I am busy editing for other people. And that's why we are here. I want to show you how to make money through video editing. Yes. So just sit tight, grab your popcorn, because it's going to be fun. You know I don't get skip. That's where we do it on this channel. So let's get right into the video. So before we go into the details, let me just give you backstory of my video editing journey. I've always loved editing. Even before I monetized it, before I started editing for people, I've always been editing for myself. I really enjoy editing. But 7 months ago, I decided to monetize it, because I was seeing video editors cashing out. I was like, oh, why not monetize your skill too? This is your skill, you must use it for other people too. So I started editing for people, and I will tell you for a fact that video editing is very lucrative and it is paying my bills. I left my medical career just to focus on video editing, because what? So if you want to go into video editing professionally, I mean you want to start editing for people, there are some things you need to know. So some people think you need to know everything about video editing before you monetize it, which is very wrong. I've worked with some clients who just want like basic edits in their videos, just know how to color grade, know how to do clean cuts, proper text placement and all of that, and you are good to go. So you just knowing some basics can even land you a paying client. Now there are different niches in video editing, and I'm going to be breaking everything down so that you know what you are getting into. Because another problem some people have is they just want to do everything. I've seen a lot of beginner video editors that just want to dabble into everything. They want to edit every video they come across, which is not good, because video editing is too broad. Like even in one niche, you're still trying to build authority. So here are some niches that are in video editing. The first one I'll be talking about is talking head videos. So just like the one I'm doing right now, someone sits in front of the camera and starts making video. So as an editor, you can decide to major in that, like you just want to be editing talking head. And another funny thing is, even in all these niches, they're like branches. Let me just put it that way, because right now I can say as a talking head video editor, I can decide to be editing for people in corporate sector, like maybe you talk about finance and all of that, and you do talking head video, or maybe people that are into the eth niche, and I just decide to be editing for them. That's why I said video editing is very broad. So you can be a talking head video editor in the eth niche or even in the sports. So video editing is very broad, you cannot do everything. That's why you need to pick a lane and master it, so that you'll be very good at that niche that you are doing. The second one is travel or lifestyle vlogs editor. So this is what I do majorly. You work with influencers, youtubers that post vlogs, travel vlogs and all of that. That's what you do. Another one is podcast editing. So you can just decide to be editing podcasts for people. Another one is event highlights. So this one actually requires you to go and be shooting, unless you want to partner with a videographer, but most times people do everything like the two together. So you go and shoot, then you come back to edit the video. So you need to know camera angles and all of that, and you can't do it remotely, so you need to go out to go and do it. Another niche you can go into as a video editor is editing product videos, all these demo videos for ads. That's another niche. As a video editor, you can also decide to go into the educational video niche, where you edit videos for people that post tutorials, courses, explainer videos. So that's another niche on its own. There's also music demo videos, like
just editing videos for artists. There's also sports. It's just a lot, very broad. So you just need to find the one you really enjoy. There's another one for gaming. Yeah, gaming edits. There are people that are into all these gaming videos, so there are editors for that too. That's why you just need to sit down and know which one you really want to do. And also in all of this, you can decide to either be doing long form or short form edit. So you can say, oh, I just want to be editing social media videos, which is short form for TikTok or Instagram, or I want to be doing long form edits for YouTube. So in all these niches, some people will have like YouTube channel and they'll be posting long form, and some it will just be on maybe their TikTok and Instagram. So this is the part a lot of people want to hear. How can you make so much money from video editing? How can you do it that you'll be making up to 1 million naira a month by just editing videos for people? Now the secret is you looking for international clients. As a Nigerian, I don't edit for Nigerians. Like I don't, because they can't pay my money. Now if you look for international clients, like for example people in US, the money they are going to be paying you is not much to them. Like they will pay you like $200. Imagine them paying you $200. By the time you convert it to naira, it's going to be like over 200,000. So imagine now getting five international clients that you work with. That means you'll be earning up to 1 million naira in a month. That's why I said you need to target international clients. I remember when I first started, I was going to somebody's house to go and shoot and deliver 3 videos for just 40,000 naira. Aside the fact that I was just starting out and trying to build my portfolio, Nigerians don't really pay, I'm sorry to say. So this video is going to be in series. I'll also be explaining how you can get international clients, how you can pitch to them, platform you can get them. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will know whenever I post.
So if you want to go into video editing, just like I already said, you don't even need to learn everything before you monetize it. As you are learning, that's what I tell my students. As you are learning, you post it on your platform, your social media platform, whether TikTok or Instagram. You might see people that will like your style of edit. Some people don't even look for the high-end video editor. They just need someone to put videos together for them, do clean and basic edits, and they're okay with it. So post your work. You start posting your work. If you don't know anything about editing and you want to start, I have a video editing course which is packed. When I say packed, I mean it is really packed. It is into 10 modules, and it is flexible. You can learn it at your own pace, because there's a practical aspect, there's a theory aspect. It is not one of those editing courses you learn and then you will not gain anything. No, this one I will literally hold your hand to learn everything you need to know. I also have, even if you are a business owner, you want to learn editing for your business, how to position yourself, how to put your business on Google, everything is in the video. It is in 10 modules and you can learn it at your own pace. So if you are ready, I'm going to link the course in the description box for the registration. I'm going to link it in the description box. So check it out and register, and we are going to continue from there. So this video, I'm going to make it in series because I don't want the video to be too long and I really want people to understand it. In the next series, I am going to be talking about how to, like, platforms where you can get clients. Yeah, I know I mentioned that, okay, when you post your work, you can attract clients, but what if you don't see clients coming? You can also go to them. So I'm going to be teaching you, like, I'm going to be explaining where to get clients, video editing clients, and also how to pitch to them, the things you need to say, how you need to package yourself, what will make you stand out, because a lot of video editors are reaching out to all these brands and all of that. So what will make you stand out, I'm also going to be teaching you in the next episode. So do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.